Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of April. I'm going to do it a little differently this time. I have no makeup on. I'm going to try to do a try-on unboxing because I looked at this last night just to see what I was getting myself into, and I was so inspired by the products I got here that I decided it'd be cool to do a try-on unboxing, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it today. The theme for this month is peace, love, and boxy. It's supposed to be like Coachella theme because it is the festival seasons. So the first product that we got in the box, so what I'm gonna be using first, is from Pure Cosmetics. It is this, what is this palette even called? It's just called Festival. It's called the Festival palette, and I have been quite critical of Pure Cosmetics in the past. I don't really like their eyeshadows. I haven't really liked their palettes. I don't think I've gotten one from Boxycharm and Pure that I've kept. So I'm curious to see how this will work because this one actually looks interesting. They gave us a little eyeshadow primer in the thing as well. So this is the palette. It looks like this. It has these sunglasses on it, and this is what the whole... I ripped that off. Okay. So this is what the palette looks like. I think it's really cool. I mean, I wish for festival season that these were a bit more fun colors, but they have two pressed glitters over here in Fireworks and 24K Magic, and that makes me really excited. There are only 4 mattes in this palette, which I feel like is pretty typical for a Pure Cosmetics palette to have like no mattes whatsoever. And then we have a bunch of like wearable shimmers on the top here. So I'm just going to take this along with these brushes that we got from Luxie. This is the Summer Days brush set, and if you guys don't know, Luxie is one of my favorite brush brands. I love them so freaking much. I have so many Luxie brushes and I love them. Love them, love them, love them. So we have here like a flat shader brush. This is the small shader 245. We have this one here, which is a large shader 290. And then we have this here, which is a contour, right? Yes, a small contouring brush, the 512, which I think will do really nicely for me. So I'm going to try to use some of these brushes in this look. I'm going to try to make it fun and festival-y. So I'm just going to speed up through this part, and then I will give you my first impressions on it. Also, I should tell you the price. This retails for $36, and it's already available on the Ulta website. I've seen it. So, all right, let's do this. I'm going to jump on before I finish the other eye. I am having so much trouble with these deeper shades, and this is always what happens when it comes to Pure Cosmetics. I love this pressed glitter. I tried to do like a glitter liner that would like fade into this really nice pink deep-ish eye, but let me see if you can see here. It's getting a little patchy right here in this inner portion. Would you focus though? It's getting kind of patchy right here in this inner portion, as you can see here. I've tried layering a bunch of shadows on top to make it not look that way. I love the way this glitter looks, and I like how it's starting to fade into this pink, but I cannot get it to look the way I want it to. So I'm just gonna do the other eye and come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I finished off the eyes here, and this is the look I came up with. Again, with the other eye, I had trouble deepening. I tried to deepen this like inner portion here because I wanted it to be a little darker. This glitter was not as vibrant as I assumed it was going to be, which I don't know why I assumed it was going to be so vibrant, but I tried to deepen it up a little bit with these two shades, and it's like they didn't come off at all. Like, and I dipped my brush in quite a lot. There's quite a bit of kick up on this product, and there's quite a bit of, and it doesn't necessarily deepen it. I feel like it brightens it. So that was the shade Hidden Desert. There's so much kick up from this product. So I would just put it on the inner corners for a little bit of deepening. I wanted the shades to meld a bit more together. Then I took All Night, which is the deepest shade in the palette. Again, there is so much freaking fallout from this shadow. And I tried putting it right here, and I feel like it didn't deepen it that much or at all. And it's a like dark shadow here. So that threw me off quite a bit. I would have loved a little bit more richness, a little bit more deepness in this inner corner, just for it to look like really cool. I have this really nice glitter wing. I love this glitter. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much. I also love this Luxie brush. It picks up the glitter so well and like applies it so perfectly. I was absolutely completely shook by that. I love the glitter. So I'm gonna go put on foundation, concealer, brows, blush, contour. I'll come back for the rest of the products and to finish up my eyes. So I will see you guys in a second. I'm back. All right, I'm gonna zoom out for this. Oh no, I should keep it zoomed in. I'm gonna finish my eyes. So I'm just gonna hop into this Pure palette. I'm gonna finish up my eyes. I'm gonna go in with another product we got in the box. Okay, I just did a little something on my eyes. I don't think I'm going to go in with an inner corner highlight because I have so much going on that I'm going to leave that alone. But the next product we got in the box is from Bodyography. This is called Bali Bronze. It's just an eyeliner. So I'm going to put this in my waterline, I guess. I forgot that I had this product, or I would have probably picked the gold glitter, but we gonna make it work. Pray for me because I always poke myself in the eyeball. Oh god, I almost did it again. Oh, I don't like that. Okay, I'm actually not going to put that in my waterline. I started on the corner here and I got a very bad feeling in my eye, so I'm actually just going to leave this out and not touch it. Wow, that feels so not good. Okay, I'm actually going to go put a different eyeliner in my waterline. This, though, retails for $14, and the Luxie brushes I've been using, the 3-pack, retails for $28. Let me go put in just an eyeliner. I'll be right back. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I just put in a bit of this waterline from Starlux. We actually got this in a box a few months ago, and I've been really loving it. Just a brown eyeliner. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using or reviewing that product because that was just the weirdest, most horrible feeling that I've ever gotten on using anything on my eyes. I don't like that whatsoever. That does not feel good. I don't know what I could be allergic to because I'm not allergic to anything, but it's something. All right, I'm going to put on some mascara and I'll be right back. All right, cool. I have my eyes done. Let's move on to the next product in the box, which is this. This is from Artist Couture. This is a Diamond Glow powder in the shade Purple Dream. I did have an Artist Couture highlighter we got in the box probably like a year and a half ago, and I did not like using loose highlighters, so I gave it away to a friend. This is so pretty. This might be a little dark for me, though. I guess we'll see. I gave it away to a friend and I kind of regret it. So I'm actually going to take the contour brush that Luxie gave us and I'm going to put some into this cap and I'm going to kind of take it on the brush. Hopefully they take it on a big brush like this will distribute the pigment so that it doesn't look really, really harsh on me. Let's see. I think this is supposed to have like a purpley duochrome shift. And it very well might. Let's see. Oh, wow. It's not even picking up on camera. This is so freaking pretty. Can you see the purple shift? Whoa. Oh my god. I love that. Oh, there you can see it in this one. Wow, it is so freaking cool. Oh my god. Did not think I was gonna like this as much as I do. Wow, okay. I love this. Okay, this retails for $27, and there were 2 shades you can get. I think there was another one that was called Summer Haze. Mine's called Purple Haze. Yeah, I think there was Purple Haze and Summer Haze. I love mine. I'm not one for like a loose powder highlight. I'm definitely not one for like a colored highlight, but this is so just subtle and beautiful. I wish you could see what I'm seeing on camera, because like you can't see it when you're looking straight on. Like it doesn't look like I wear anything, and then bam. And I thought this was going to be way too dark, because look at this color compared to my skin. This is super dark, but it just gives the most beautiful iridescent glow. I love that so much. I also really like these Luxie brushes. I think they're so cute with this little ombre thing. Okay, so the last product we got in the box was actually a lip gloss. This is a holographic lip gloss. This is from Appeal, and this retails for $21. So I'm just going to put a lipstick from Essence on, and then we'll go in with that. I should zoom you out a bit more, shouldn't I? There we go. Okay, and we're just going to put this on top of it. I've never even heard of this brand Appeal before, so I like that. Ooh, okay. So it's not too holographic. Oh, this is super cool. Okay. You probably can't see it either, but it has this almost intense purple shift to it. Oh, that's so nice. It's not too intense. I don't like holographic lip glosses because they're usually really intense, but this is just subtle and beautiful and glowy and dewy, and I love this whole look. Okay, so I'm just going to total up the box, and then I'll give you my final impressions on this. Okay, so the total for the box is $126, which is great because you only spend $21 for this box. So I guess I'll give my first impressions on everything here. The Pure palette I'm going to have to work with because I really, really, really love these pressed glitters. Oof. I struggle with the mattes like I always do in Pure palettes. I find that they make really nice shimmers and really nice glitters, but their mattes sometimes lack, and I definitely feel like that's the case in this. I also feel like it's not super festival-y. Like when I think festival, I think really fun and like interesting colors, and this is pretty much like every other Pure palette we've seen, which is just like neutrals with pops of color. So I will keep trying this out and seeing what I like about it. Then we have the Luxie trio of brushes. I didn't get to use the large shader brush, but I love this little tiny shader, and I actually really like this for applying my highlight. I think it just looks like so nice and diffused on my skin. I love these. These again retailed for $28. Luxie never disappoints. Then we had the Artist Couture highlighter in the shade Purple Dream, which I'm obsessed with. I love it so much. So, love that. That's 100% great. Then we had the Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip, which I think just adds just a little something to the lips. I think it looks so pretty. And then the Bodyography eyeliner, which I will not be able to use because it gave me the worst allergic reaction and the most sudden allergic reaction that I've ever had. Okay guys, so that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!